Hey guys, it's Soda. It's been a while. Bike hasn't really changed much. I snapped my cranks. It's one of the biggest things. Next biggest thing is I got a new wheel. It's a proper Lite 4 laced to a G-Sport roll cage. Danscom fucked up my lacing, so I had to take it apart and relace it myself. But other than that, it's a pretty smooth hub and everything, fucking solid as hell. Right now I'm borrowing some shitty Eastern cranks, came off of a stock Element. My friend let me use them since mine snapped. I got a new seat, and then everything else is pretty much the fucking same. But yeah, go ahead and do the old-fashioned rundown. I got Lumberjack bars, S&M Redneck XLT stem. Again, only 200 of them were made. Odyssey Director forks, Demolition Bulimia front hub, Sun Rhyno Lite rim, Primo spokes, Odyssey twisted PC pedals, Eastern cranks, Federal, Lite Sprocket, bit head frame, proper Lite 4, left-hand drive 9-tooth, laced to a G-Sport roll cage, Primo spokes again. I've got a half a peg, it's whatever, until I can get actual pegs. I'm just stuck with fucking, whatever the hell you call them. And then, premium pivotal seat, friend hooked that up for me. And then, KMC 710 SL chain, in gold. Friend also gave that to me. And then that's pretty much my bike. Not really much more to it, except it's a little more durable, I guess. I don't know. I need to get new cranks and it's fucking perfect. Yeah, leave me comments, subscribe, do whatever you need to do. Hopefully I'll be throwing up some more riding vids, so hit me up.